I'm Frank Darras, America's top insurance lawyer, and today we're going to dissect a car insurance application. It can be tricky. Remember, always take the time to read and answer all the questions fully and accurately. The last thing you need after an accident is your carrier arguing you misrepresented information on the application that the carrier relied on and now you have no coverage. Make sure you list all the drivers that are going to be operating the vehicles. List the address where the cars are going to be garaged or stored so the carrier can properly and accurately price the risk. Make an educated guess at your actual miles driven by looking over your repair bills from last year. Usually those service centers list the odometer reading when you take your car in for service. If you use your car for business purposes, make sure you tell the carrier. Conversely, if you use the vehicle only for recreational use and don't drive very often, be sure to tell them. Less miles means less premium. Alright, typically an application is going to list the coverage available. Liability, comprehensive, collision, property damage, uninsured motorist, underinsured motorist. And if you choose no uninsured motorist or underinsured motorist, you need to check the box with a big no. Be careful on carrying no uninsured motorist coverage or underinsured motorist coverage or just the minimum, as this is the insurance that protects you and I from adverse drivers out there without any insurance. Example, you've got your family in the car. You all get injured, 4 of you go to the hospital. How much does it cost for 2 or 3 days in the ICU? It can be 50 grand. If you're running around with no uninsured motorist coverage, that 50 comes out of your pocket. Underinsurance is the same thing. If you carry the minimum, 15,000, and you get hit by a driver that's got 15,000 worth of coverage, that's it, folks. You just get 15,000. On the other hand, the driver had 15,000 and you had 100,000. You bought $85,000 more insurance for you and your family. I promise it's pennies or a Starbucks a week to crank up that uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. Finally, shopping online is convenient, but I caution you. You can save the time of a face-to-face meeting with your agent or broker, but when you start talking about coverages, uninsured motorist, underinsured motorist, you'll lose out on that across-the-kitchen-table education. I recommend it. Understand what you're buying so we can protect our family. I'm Frank Darras, founding partner of Darras Law, Ontario, California.